have the singing of our national anthem to remove your cover. That means take your hat off. If you see somebody standing next to you with a hat on, take that person's hat off. And put your hand over your heart for the singing of our national anthem. Okay, now I see smoke systems on. Our jumpers are being circled by Matt Chapman and Bill Finnegan. Okay, there's the American flag. Now, Josh Jordan will sing for you. Please rise, remove your cover for the singing of our national anthem.
By the dawn's light, what so proudly we hailed, by the dawn's last gleam, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight, o'er the ramparts we watched, were so gallantly streamed, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled Thank you very much, Josh Jordan. That beautiful singing of the national anthem, getting our air show off to its official start. Here's our next jumper coming in right above the target and swooping along above the ground. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the Spirit of America over Martinsburg Air Show for 2008. Our skydivers, members of the Chambersburg skydiving team, coming in here to get us off to our official start. And bringing in the flag right now is our big magnet member of the team. That's Rocky Radabah with the POW MIA flag. He's going to be touching down up here to the left, and as soon as he's on the ground, you're going to see Matt Chapman and Bill Finnegan giving you a little demonstration of the performance of their aircraft. Each of them will be putting on a full display a little bit later on. Here comes Rocky right now.
The owl's about to boil.
Rocky Radabah about to touch down. See how he's pulling down on both steering lines? Now he lets it go. Here comes the brakes coming on for a beautiful landing. Thank you, Rocky. The members of the Chambersburg skydiving team. Okay.